So I got this motor, B20. Not sure if it's B20V, but we're gonna be working on it, restore the whole thing, and yeah, see how new we can make it look. Let's see, can't really see it, but it's B20 B4. Really dirty. Time to transform it.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
So this is the first pressure wash. So we purple power shot it with pressure washer and scraped it with metal scraper, the whole thing. So it's getting pretty clean, better than what it used to look like, I guess. So I've been sanding it with water and 600 right now. So you got 1000 and 1500 and 2000 to go through, but it's taking so long. But this is my first time doing what do you call it, chrome, so I'm pretty stoked. Let's see how it comes out. So finally finished it. Finished sanding it down. It's got pretty shiny compared to what it was before. So now I need to find some polishing agent and start polishing this thing. So I've been trying to use this polisher, but can't really, even though I did it, can't really see yourself much. So they said you get some rouge. So I bought this kit right here, so I'm gonna try to use this and see how that works. So I finished polishing this side. Looks super shiny now compared to how I made it before, which is right here. Isn't really much. This is how I made it before, but now you can actually see yourself. Now I'm about to do the whole thing same way. Now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna put it back in the motor and screw everything back together with the NGK blue spark plug wires. So already started using a Dremel to get all the dirt off, so I'm gonna continue doing it until it's really shiny. So now maybe fixing all this rust over there and working on this side of the motor. I had to use this for a very long time, and also this tip right here. And yeah, it's pretty much got pretty chrome. Yeah, have some more to do. Yeah, so I've been sanding it down with grit paper. It's getting a little bit better. And also this side, there's a difference between when it's sanded and when it's pretty much dusted.